What's up, everybody? Today I'm gonna have and there's a whole bunch of ammo right here for my family to have the Nerf war inside my house.